Hello, 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 and welcome to another session of the Writer's Workshop where authors are at work and we're creating stories. So, welcome, welcome, welcome to session three. Now, you should have watched session one and session two already. So, session three, my friends, is a review and for you to do some work. Now it's your time to do some work before we go into session four. So, your time to do some work is to do what we did in session one and session two. So, if you recall, in session one, we talked about simple sentences. Simple sentences like, I saw a dog, I like ice cream, I read a book, I walked down the street. Um, yeah, I saw the stars. I saw the moon. So just simple, simple sentences. That's what we started out with. That's what I want you to start out with. Just a simple sentence. And don't forget, you need to start your writer's workshop notebook. Yes, yes, yes. You need to start your notebook so that you can start creating stories. So get you a good notebook so that you are ready to write, and write fun stories, right? Fun stories. And then on session two, you need to go back and watch session two because that's a very important session as well. Because we talked about adding detail to our sentences, expanding our sentences, how to add character, and yes, so, session two is going to tell you how to expand that sentence and get all of those details in, right? So, that's your assignment on today for this session three is to go back, watch session one and session two, and get to writing. We want you creating wonderful, wonderful stories, right? So that's what I want you to do. And guess what? If you want to, you can email them to me. Yes, email them to drjessicamadden at gmail.com. I would love to read your simple sentences. I would love to read how you expanded that sentence. So that's what I want you to do. When you have done your sentence, go ahead and email it to me. Oh, I would love it, love it, love it. So do that for me, okay? Dr. Jessica Madden at gmail.com. And guess what? I'll see you at the next Writer's Workshop. Happy writing!